So welcome back, and today we're going to be creating this chorizo and hash brown egg casserole. So these are my spices that just kind of went over. I eventually mixed them up, and we're going to add them to some chorizo that I cooked in a cast iron pan and chopped up. You want it ground and crumbly like that. Then you're going to add some onions, 6 eggs, and for the specific recipe you can check that out below. Some milk and half and half, and then I'm going to mix that up. Once that is mixed, you can add your hash browns. Make sure you rinse the starch off your hash browns. Cheese, and you're going to bake that for an hour at 350 degrees. So once that is done, you will take it out of the oven and let it rest. It should look something like this. And this is the finished product. So, hope you like it. Enjoy. Leave your comments and questions below. And thanks for watching.